All right, good morning, folks. Hey, we're here at Lindo Lake. Well, we're sort of outside Lindo Lake. They're having an event inside. So, hey, why go anywhere else? This is a beautiful place. 2026 Mazda Miata MX-5. Check the roof. If you haven't seen this, this is the RF. Let me show you the benefit of this particular Miata. You have to admit, that is pretty cool. And of course, you have to have a driving hat. If you don't have a driving hat, what's the point, right? I'm telling you, I've always liked Miatas, and that's always been a rub on pretty much any convertible is security, right? Well, that RF takes care of it. Look at that. Is that a great profile or what? Still got a lot of zoom in it. So 4-cylinder, not turbocharged, not supercharged, but it is a track car. You can tell they put the tack in the center of the dash. They put the speedo off to one side. Still got plenty of technology, and we're going to go around and take a look at it. But this is just a fun little car to drive, whether it be on a racetrack or in on the city streets. You know, I personally think a convertible is for night driving. Daytime driving, if it's warm out, it could be a little touchy. So let's go ahead, take a walk around, show you the ins and the outs of this car right here at Lindo Lake. All right, here's your little Miata, 2026 MX-5 RF. And check out that front end, man. I mean, Mazda's always had this kind of a shark look to it. Hasn't changed much in all the years. A lot of people really appreciate the RF because you do have a retractable roof. It is a 181 horsepower, 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. It's got vented disc brakes just like on a race car, rear wheel drive. Sport-tuned suspension, Bilstein shocks, LED lighting all the way around. It also has leather accent interior, tilt telescoping wheel, rear camera. It's got smart brake support, cross traffic alert for safety. Got an engine immobilizer, blind spot monitoring, again for safety. Exit warning. Good morning. Beautiful. I know, it's a fun little car. You've also got stabilizer bars on this car, and it loves to lock itself the minute you get out of it. It's the darndest thing. Limited slip differential, shock tower braces, dual exhaust, 8.8 display for your technology, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Can you imagine 9 speakers in this little car? And it's a Bose sound system. You've got Alexa too, if you're so into her. You know, you got a wind deflector, stabilizer control, traction control, airbags galore, lane departure. Now the options on this car are paint, front air dam, Brembo brakes, Recaro seats, red calipers on all 4 wheels, side sills, and a rear spoiler. So that's pretty much all the bells and whistles you'll find on this. The trunk is not too bad. Really, when you're looking for storage, you know, I mean, it's deep, it's kind of wide. You're not getting any golf clubs in it, that's for sure. But it's got, you know, enough for like a weekender soft bag. This little plastic diffuser is a great idea. And when you're driving it, you know, with the top down, it really makes a lot of difference, believe it or not. Again, the thrill of it is in the drive. You're getting 26 city, 34 highway, 29 combined as far as fuel mileage goes, which is pretty cool. You've also got a price. It's not cheap. It's $41,900 for the base. Destination is $1,235, and it totals out at $43,730. So that's it in a nutshell. Normally, let's go ahead and pop the hood just for a second. I just kind of want to give you a peek at some of the other features that you get. See, this is what I was talking about. The truss bar goes all the way up over and across. That also helps for rigidity. It's a dual overhead cam, 4-cylinder, so it's pretty race ready, easy to work on and get access. So if you want to put some fun in your drive, I highly recommend you take a look at the 2026 Mazda MX-5 RF, and there's still zoom in this car. Don't forget to check out my YouTube page at Mr. Dave Stahl, my webpage, davestahl.com. I'm on KCBQ AM 1170 on Sundays, noon to 6, KUSI TV every Saturday at 6:40. Tune in, have fun, and if you ever want to get a hold of me, just go to my webpage. I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you down the road.